Alright, horn's all cleaned up. Now let's see what we got left. What kind of bracket? Oh, it's buddy seat brackets. That'd be the nose bracket in hardware. And those would be the rear bracket hardware. There you go. I don't want these old bikes have buddy seats on them. I can't stand buddy seats, but anyway, there you go. That one's broken. This little spring clip here that holds it in, so the buddy seat just pops in here. The override springs. Bolts are not marked. There should be no head markings on them for being correct. And these are a little bit rounded shape. These look like modern bolts, especially that one. That's not original. The nuts are probably original. See, they're real narrow. They're low profile. These are original nuts. Lock washer nice and thin. That's a big thick one. That's probably not original. That one does look original. That's not. So this is the nose bracket. I don't know why they got two. I thought they only took one on the bike. So you got the T-bar on the bike going like this, and the seat goes on it. This goes on the back of the seat where it has a big bracket in the back. And the nose bracket holds the nose up in the front, but I don't know why there's two of them there, but thought there's only room for one up in the front. Maybe there's two up there, I don't remember. I don't deal with buddy seats too much. I'm a solo seat type guy. So anyway, that's buddy seat stuff. So overall, I got some good stuff. That horn's really good. I'm really happy with that. I'm actually pretty happy with these oil lines. I think I'll be able to save them. Those original lines. You don't see original copper lines very often on bikes anymore. And the lifter blocks I'm definitely happy with. Throwout bearing, if it works, it's a good piece too. Pretty much everything here is good except for the seat crap. That's because I don't like it. It's good parts though, but not what I like. So there you go. Nice VL parts. Look good on my bike. There you go.